Food Safety Guide for Event Catering. The methods of handling, storing, cooking and displaying of foods, from the point they leave home base through to point of sale, have to be thought through well before the day of the event. Basic hygiene principles should be applied at each stage of the operation. Food delivery. Food must be transported in a safe and hygienic manner, in particular. No food should be placed so it's at a risk of contamination. Open food must be kept covered, and raw and cooked foods must be stored separately. All high-risk food should be transported at the correct temperature, i.e. 8 degrees Celsius or less for chilled food, preferably 5 degrees Celsius, minus 18 degrees Celsius for frozen food. All food containers must be suitable for the purpose, clean and in good condition. Temperature control. Effective temperature control is one of the most important safeguards when considering high-risk foods. The basic principle to adhere to is that all high-risk food should be kept hot, above 63 degrees Celsius, or cold, below 8 degrees Celsius. You should have some means available to check this, such as a thermometer, and all temperatures should be recorded. The only time high-risk foods should be at ambient temperature is during preparation or, if they are definitely to be sold within 2 hours, when they are displayed for sale. Personal hygiene. People must be clean and wear clean over clothing, which covers outdoor clothing, if handling open food. Hands must be washed as often as is appropriate to ensure there is no risk of contamination of any food, particularly after handling raw food, visiting the toilet or handling rubbish. Wearing gloves is not a substitute for hand washing. First aid. All stalls must have an adequate first aid kit. The list below is considered suitable for up to 5 persons. 10 individually wrapped sterile waterproof adhesive plasters, preferably blue or green. 1 sterile iPad. 1 triangular bandage. 1 sterile covering for a serious wound. 6 safety pins. 3 medium-sized sterile dressings. 1 large sterile dressing. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.